What's going on here, chef?
Just the chef. Put a bit of patties on. We've got the sausages. Fail. Slap him on. Wait. It's not a good day for it, but you know, we do what we do under the shelter in the garage. And just chuck the sausages on the grill. Get a steady seat in for a bit and then onto the game.
It's 40 points to 8, Jake.
The Panthers having a field day, and what a game Brian To'o is having. You mentioned some of his defensive
Bizarre.
intercept there. He scored 2 tries. He scored 17 tries in his 17 finals games. He's doing absolutely everything for this Panthers. So almost roughly 200 metres this afternoon. Busted 11 tackles, and he's just everywhere. He gets the ball moving back to this drive. Alamo scores, and the Panthers are in the 40s. We've still got 24 to play.
This is very fun for the Bulldogs and their fans. There's a long time to go in this game. A little bit of the Panthers in the last few sets of 16 they had. Boy, it was undeniable. This team in Black Ghana has put the ball down, and their perfect handling comes to an end here in the 56th minute.